Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's make some cool popsicle for this summer. So let's see how to make this chocolate fudge popsicle and beat the heat with this creamy treat. Into a pan, add some milk, add sugar, some cornflour, cocoa powder. Whisk it and combine it well. Make sure you break all the lumps from the cocoa powder. Now add in 1 cup of milk, fresh cream. Mix it and turn on the heat. Whisk it continuously and bring the mixture to boil. Once it becomes thick, turn off the flame. To check the consistency, dip a spoon. If the mixture is coating the spoon really well, that means it's ready. If you don't have a popsicle mold, you can just pour it in a glass and make it. But here I have some cute popsicle molds which I bought it from IKEA. So I'm gonna pour the chocolate mixture in each mold. Close it and it is ready to freeze. I'm also using the normal popsicle molds which are easily available in the market. Let's freeze them all together. You can freeze this for 7 to 8 hours, or it'll be better to freeze it overnight. And once it is freezed, our chocolate fudge popsicles are ready. If you find it difficult to take it out, just dip them in warm water and enjoy the popsicles. These fudge popsicles are so creamy and tasty. So do try out these recipes and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.